In today's video, I am going to teach you how to close a trade on Pepperstone. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Pepperstone Trader platform. Once you are inside the platform, look toward the bottom section of the screen and open the Trade tab. This area is where you can manage your open and active market positions. After that, select the Positions tab. This will display a list of all trades that are currently active in your account. Take a moment to look through the list and locate the exact position you want to close. It is important to choose the correct trade before moving forward. Once you find the position, review the trade details carefully. Check the instrument, trade size, direction, and any other visible information so you can confirm that you have selected the right one. This step helps prevent closing the wrong position by mistake. When you are ready, click the Close button next to that position. In some cases, a confirmation window may appear. If it does, review the order details shown in that pop-up window. Make sure everything matches the trade you intend to close. Then click Close again to confirm the action. After you do that, wait a moment while the platform processes your request. This usually only takes a short time, but it is important to allow the system to complete the order before checking the result. Once the request has been processed, return to the Positions tab and confirm that the trade is no longer listed there. If the position has disappeared from the active positions list, that means the trade has been closed successfully. To verify the result one more time, open the History tab. In this section, you should be able to see the closed trade recorded in your account activity. This gives you a clear confirmation that the position was closed and logged by the platform. That is the full process for closing a trade on Pepperstone using Trader. Follow each step carefully, especially when reviewing the position details and confirmation window, so you can avoid errors and manage your trades with confidence. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.